Welcome back to my kitchen. I love my Ninja Creami. I love having it for breakfast. I add oats to it. It's fantastic. I have a new flavor that I want to give a try. My friend has been sending me some videos on TikTok of this new obsession that she has. I think it might become a new hobby for her. And it's candle making. And the ones that she's been sending me are people making the candles that look like lattes. And she sent me one that was a matcha latte. And I just got thinking about how much I was loving matcha lattes this summer and how like that could be really good as a Ninja Creami, making a matcha latte. But that it's a nice, whole food, plant-based, no refined sugars version that I can have for breakfast. Because I love having my ice cream for breakfast. So I'm gonna try and make matcha latte Ninja Creami base. And then my mix-ins are gonna be where I change it up. So I think I'll do one day I'll try strawberry and the next day I'll try blueberry. So let's make the matcha latte base together and we'll put it in the freezer and then I'll give it a try. So let me get my ingredients. I've got all my ingredients here. I've been making the Ninja Creami for a few months now with the chocolate base, and I have loved that. And then my last video, actually the last two that I've done the same base, just not making it chocolate. And I like that because I like that what I'm getting for breakfast is my beans, my oatmeal, cauliflower, and then flavoring it how I want it. So we're gonna use the same base that I do. And hopefully this should add up to being 2 pints. That's how it's worked in the past, so it should still work this time. Anyways, I'll show you what's going into it. Okay, I cooked up some chickpeas this morning. So I'm gonna do a full one half cup of chickpeas. I have rolled oats. I'm doing half a cup of rolled oats. Then we get our vegetable. I have frozen cauliflower, riced cauliflower. I'm gonna do 1 cup. Okay, 1 cup of riced cauliflower. Back in the freezer. So that's essentially the base that stays the same. Actually, a little bit, I add some salt. Not a lot, like half a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon. I add a splash of vanilla. I do add in the protein powder, still have it. I'm liking it, so I'm gonna use it. I've got this vanilla milkshake version, so I'm doing a scoop of that. I do think having the vanilla will be good. And a nice addition for this one. And then I've got matcha. Smells good. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. I think that should be good. And then I just need to add in some soy milk. Let me grab it because I forgot to grab it. To get 2 pints, what I've been doing is 2.5 cups of this, and that should be 2 pints. Half a cup, okay. All right. Now I'm going to blend this up. Now time will tell. Am I going to have 2? 1. Yes, indeed. All right, that's the measurement. Okay, these are gonna go in the freezer for 24 hours. I'll have them tomorrow for breakfast, or I'll have one for breakfast tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll do strawberry or blueberry tomorrow, so you'll see soon which one did I pick. I think strawberry, but we'll see how I feel tomorrow morning. You know, that's the fun of this. I think that that's a good way to go about it. Have the base for the latte be the same, and then the mix-in, have that be what's a little bit different. I had some really good lattes this summer with like really nice purees, and then I made a bunch at home too. So I'm really actually excited about this for tomorrow. If you like, well, before you see what I pick tomorrow. If you like whole food plant-based recipes like this and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. I'm sharing Ninja Creami recipes, creations that I come up with, and I'm still pretty new to all of this, so if you have other ideas you'd like to see, let me know. Into the freezer they go, and we'll see you in the future. Okay, good morning. We are going to have the matcha breakfast, which it makes sense because I just showed you making it, so you knew I was gonna do that. Anyways, I did decide I was gonna do strawberry this morning, so I took some of these out earlier. I've been like click-clacking away, working away, so it's actually a lot later than I intended, and I am getting hungry, so I need to make this. But I've got my strawberries ready for the mix-in feature. This is, oh, it smells vanilla-y from that protein powder. And matcha, like. I add a splash before I spin, because I like to do that. I'm gonna spin this up. Okay, I spun it on light and I did a respin. And when I did the respin, I added some more oat milk to it. This is what it's looking like. Nice. Let's give it a try. It's very subtle, the matcha, very subtle. So I would maybe even add a little bit more. It's nice though. But yeah, I could add more to that. It's just so good. I think it's gonna be really good at adding the strawberries in. So in order to add the strawberries in, you kind of have to like make a well, but I'm just gonna eat what I'm taking out. Yeah, maybe a bit more matcha. It's a little, it's subtle. So I think if you wanted it a bit stronger, obviously add more in. Okay, got these frozen strawberries that I've had sitting out. And with like some of the liquid in there as well. I think this will be good. We'll add a little. I never really thought about it, but I'm also, these are sugar-free. And there might be some sugar in the protein powder that I'm adding. There must be. Okay, I'm gonna mix this on the respin. No, not the respin. I'm gonna mix it on the mix-in feature. Alrighty. Okay. Oh yeah. It's like very soft serve now. Oh, that's so nice. I love strawberries. It's cold. I like this. The strawberries taste so good. I think, if anything, honestly, I would just add extra matcha next time. Okay. I'll try it with blueberry tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'll get back to my emails. I think I have a meeting soon. I do, okay. See you tomorrow. Good morning. I was going to make a blueberry matcha latte Ninja Creami for breakfast, like I've been saying this whole video, but I always have frozen blueberries in my freezer. At least I thought I did. I don't have any. So I had strawberries, raspberries, or cherries, or have apples in the fridge. And I was tempted to go the apple route because I just had an iced green apple matcha latte the other day at a cafe, and it was really good. But something about the raspberries. I want to have raspberries. And so it's going to be raspberry. But I had another thought. It didn't have a strong matcha flavor. So, you know how I add milk to mix in? I'm just going to add a bit in here. I'm not going to heat it up, but I'm not going to do a full tablespoon, but I'm going to add in matcha into here. Like just, yeah, not crazy. I'm going to add that in there. I'm going to mix it. I need to get an actual matcha whisk. That would be nice to have. But mix this in here so it's a little bit stronger of a flavor maybe. It was really good yesterday. I think that's like a good, even like a vanilla base without the matcha in there. It was a good base to build on for other flavors, so that's great. I've got this, it's been sitting on the counter a bit. Gonna add in, oh yes. Okay, add in a bit of this. I'll give it a first spin. Give it a first spin, then I'm going to re-spin it and add the rest of this in there. And then we'll mix in my raspberries. Here we go. Nice lovely spin. That's a bit stronger of a flavor. So like I did yesterday, I'm gonna eat some of this from the middle and then I'll add in the raspberries. I have my raspberries. These were frozen. Gonna do the mix-in feature. All right. I think I let this one sit out a fair amount, so it's not as frozen anymore, but oh, that's nice too. I probably would lean more strawberry personally, but the raspberry is good. I really mixed it in there. That's nice. That's nice. All right, I'll add this to a list of ones I will be making again because that was nice. I'm gonna sit down, get to work, get back to my emails. While I enjoy. So again, if you're interested in whole food, plant-based breakfast in ice cream form, this is it. This is so good. Well, I'm gonna keep trying different variations for my Ninja Creami. So if you're interested, come along with me, subscribe. Let me know if there's flavors you would like to see me try. Okay, well, I'm gonna go enjoy this while I work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.